Hello friends, today we're gonna see about the company Swaraj Engines. This company is fundamentally looking so good, and this company is a market leader in producing diesel engines for tractors. We know that in coming days the monsoon is expected to do good, which can create a huge rural demand. So this kind of companies which are related to rural economy may perform good in coming days because the monsoon is expected to do good in this year. So looking into the ROC of the company, the ROC is 48.2 percentage, which is excellent. Any company which is greater than 10 percentage of ROC is good according to my analysis. And ROE is also 35.8 percentage. That is also good. And if you look the pros of the company is almost debt free. The company is expected to give good quarter, and the company is given a good profitability the last year. That is 100%, 100 crores to 136 crores. And the net profit is also increased 71 crores to 93 crores. Let me check the cash flow. The cash flow is also considerably increased. That is minus 0 to 36. That is excellent. And ROC is also increased from March 20 to 21, that 39 percentage to 48 percentage. A promoter is also having a decent holding, and FIIs have increased their stake 1.717 to 1.58. DAs have decreased the stake 12.06 to 10.43, but that is not so bad. So despite the company is looking so fundamentally good, the stock price of the company is not moving so much. So I'm expecting in coming days, looking at the monsoon demand, we can expect the price to go up in coming days. Let us check the technicals of the company as well. Let me take the technical chart. So if you see, guys, this is a weekly chart for Swaraj engines. If you see here, there is no volume. You can see here in recent days there is an increase in volume, right? There is an increase in volume, right? If I'm I have drawn the uh, line, you can see here this line having a good resistance for this level. At this level it has given a resistance, and at this level also it has given a resistance, and we are expecting this level to break now and can retest at this level again, and it can move up 47.76 percentage. Okay, so until this level it is expected to perform good in coming days, because despite the fundamentals of despite the fundamentals of the company is good, the company is having good profit, the company is having good numbers, still the price of the company is not showing good, not doing good. And this is a time, because of the rural demand, we can expect the price of the company may go good in coming days. So, what is my plan is I will wait for a good breakout at this point. I may enter near 1700 level, and once it has given a good breakout, and I increase my stake in this company, and I expect in short term this company can give a 50 percentage return. Okay, so this is not the call. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. So consult your financial advisor before taking any call. And this is only for the knowledge purpose. We'll see how the stock performs in coming days. Thank you, guys. See, I will wait for a good breakout at this point. I may enter near 1700 level, and once it has given a good breakout, and I increase my stake in this company, and I expect in short term this company can give a 50 percentage return. Okay, so this is not the call. I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. So consult your financial advisor before taking any call. And this is only for the knowledge purpose. We'll see how the stock performs in coming days. Thank you, guys. See.